Meet Sally. Sally is always on the go. As a trusted real estate professional, Sally's clients rely on her to make the right decisions and market their investment the best way possible. By juggling multiple properties, running around delivering checks, and tediously going back and forth scheduling photographers, floor plans, videos, and ads from multiple service providers can fill up Sally's day. What if Sally could book, schedule, and pay for everything on one easy-to-use website from anywhere at any time, even on the go, at the office, or at the beach? Introducing listedmarketing.com, the one-stop shop marketing service with quick turnarounds, simple pricing, and quality work that's trusted by real estate agents, brokerages, and property managers just like Sally. Now Sally has time for more important things like clients, growing her business, or spending time with friends and family. Now you can too. Simply visit listedmarketing.com, click on Service, choose a date and time, then click Check Out to pay online. It's easy. So, what are you waiting for? Simplify your real estate business and visit listedmarketing.com today. You list it, we market.